What is good, YouTube? So it's Rohit back with another video. And today, as y'all see, it is raining, but we got the big cat outside. I'm about to take it to the shop today, or the dealership, because I'm gonna get my new paddle put on. But y'all see it, she's dirty right now, but still looks good in the rain, I guess, you know. I mean, that blue is just something else. But anyway, we're gonna get inside, so let's get into it. All right, so we're in the car now, just letting her warm up, because you can see the RPMs are still pretty high. I don't want to drive when I'm still. We go to performance pages, y'all will see that it ain't up to temps yet, and I want to wait for it since it's cold outside. Y'all got to know to like keep your car, you know, in good condition. I mean, look, 39 oil temp, that's not good. That's way too low, too cold. 75, that can go up a little bit more, so I'm gonna wait for that to get like at least, I don't know, 100 maybe. It's gonna take a moment, so I'm gonna catch you guys when we start moving. All right, guys, so we are on the way now. Finally warmed up temps a little bit, so now we just have to get over there. A little bit of rain, as you guys can see, so really we just gotta drive really like carefully and stuff, but we're gonna get there. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys when we start getting near the dealership. All right, guys, so we are getting off the exit now. We just reached pretty close to where we have to be, so it's not too far from here now. And yeah, that drive was a bit of a drive, I ain't gonna lie. That was a bit of a drive, but the rain wasn't too bad, thankfully, so we were able to get through it. I need to go this way. But yeah, we're about to pull up. Actually, I'm gonna keep recording it just so you guys can a little bit listen to the car. It's raining, I think, still, but let me see if I can open the window a little bit. Just a little bit for y'all. Just a little bit. Open just a hair. Let's hope we can get this light. Come on. Yes, thank you. Oh, it is cold though. There you go. Gave you a little bit of a little pull, but let's close the window if it's cold outside. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, so we're about to pull up to the Ford dealership, and then we're gonna go get this all put in, you know, because we got to get this paddle shifter fixed because it's a weak paddle, so we got to get it replaced. But yeah, it was you guys can hear that wide, I know you do, but hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, subscribe, like, all that stuff, and we're about to reach, so I'm gonna catch you guys in a moment. All right, guys, so we're gonna get the car all fixed up. She's all ready to go to get in. They're gonna get that paddle fixed. Yep, there she is. Looks good. This blue looks so nice outside, even in this cloudy weather. Like this blue looks really good. But yeah, so we're like right now just waiting at the dealership. We're gonna see if they got anything to look at. I don't think they got anything. This is probably the best thing that you know, we're gonna see. I mean, it's a Hellcat, bro. It's the only thing. But yeah, let's see what they got. So I found this 5.0 blue, baby blue. Thing is clean. There's also a 5.0 right here. There's a bunch of 5.0s, but these are like the new design on all of them. I ain't gonna lie. Sorry, I'm still getting the coughs. These literally all look like a Camaro. I mean, the design is cool, but I feel like they could have did a better job, to be honest. And there's my car over there waiting to get serviced. We're just gonna have to wait. We got a few more things. Let me see what else I can find out here. Another 5.0. I already looked at this one time. They have not sold this one for a while now. It's just been chilled. This design I liked a lot better though than the new design, because this is like a Mustang. That looks like a Camaro, the new one. But oh, they got a charger. They didn't have a charger before. I was saying they had no single like Dodge cars that were like Charger Challengers, but we got one charger. Black. Is it an RT? I doubt it's an RT. It's an SE. Yeah, V6 on it. Anyway, I mean, it's a Charger, but it's V6. So I ain't gonna lie though, there ain't much around right now. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get the car back. They're taking it. Y'all see? Getting it on. Oh, I love that sound. But yeah, they're gonna get it all fixed up. We just gotta wait now. All right, y'all, so we just finished up. Hellcat is all done. About to turn this baby on. But I do have to get different lug nuts because I wanted to put some wheel locks on, but I got the wrong size. So I have to go, probably gonna go to the store really quick to go buy some. But yeah, we're gonna get on the road. Oh, and this paddle is now completely working right. So that's good. Good to know. Now I got a right paddle, the correct one, because the old one was like worn out or something. So now we got the right one. Thankfully, warranty covered it. So thank God for warranty. But we're gonna get on the road. I'm gonna catch you guys in a moment. All right, we have returned. We are back at the dealership. They're gonna put the wheel locks on because I didn't have the right size, so I had to go buy some. And we got the right one, so they're gonna do that. So I'm gonna catch you guys when we get that done. All right, y'all, so she's all good. We got the wheel locks on. Y'all see it? Yes, sir. Gotta keep these wheels safe. Y'all know what I'm talking about when I say that. But there is one thing I do have to get fixed. Not fixed, but I'm gonna do some work on my own with that. Y'all see that? A little bit of a scratch right there, curbed it while turning. So yeah, that's probably gonna do it for today's video though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna bring more content out with the Hellcat, but today it's raining, so I just wanted to get this all fixed up with the wheels, the paddle and everything, but I fixed it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like the video, comment, share, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.